Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Some of my subscribers were asking about my phone is not charging, it's only for data. Okay, for this head unit there are two USB plugs. One is for the original, one is from coming from the radio from the back, that's for only data, but this one is charging and the Apple CarPlay. Basically go to car settings. Let's see where the setting is first. Okay, and then go to system developer option. Okay, you see that USB option, default USB configuration, no data transfer, or you can do internet USB tethering, or you can use it only file transfer, and these are for something else. You don't need to do that, but just try to do no data transfer and then save it, then it's gonna charge. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.